Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use Windows Troubleshooter. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So in order for you to use this Windows Troubleshooter, all you have to do is go to your search menu or start menu and then search for Troubleshooter. Here it is. Tap open. It will take you directly to Troubleshooter section. Tap on additional troubleshooters and you just have to simply select from any of this here. If you want to run a troubleshoot on your internet connection, if you have encountered some problems here, just right click and then tap on run troubleshooter. So again here, you just have to simply choose a troubleshooter, click on the issue you want to fix, internet connections, playing audio, printer, Windows update, keyboard, Bluetooth, power, network adapter. Just click Run next to the problem area. Windows will scan and try to detect issues. All you have to do here is just follow prompt or any instruction that will appear. Now, if the troubleshooter doesn't fix the issue, it often gives helpful information to guide manual troubleshooting. And that's how easy it is to use Window Troubleshooter. Always restart your PC after applying a fix. So basically, that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.